Today, technology has become an essential part of our lives, and just so I have utilized every possible assistance I could gain from technologies, whether it be software, hardware, or online. I did all my work on my laptop, Dell Latitude E6420. The initial thing that I was supposed to do was make an online blog where I could record all the stuff I do in this project. I did so by using my NTC internet when I was working at home, otherwise using the school's Wi-Fi. I made the online blog at blogspot.com and posted my progress there. I used online media a lot. Most importantly, the most used search engine, Google, to do most of my research for my project, because if it gives you a vast list of links to follow up to. Now I also made questionnaires using Microsoft Word when I wanted to get opinions from my audience, and got them printed by HP LaserJet 2015, which is my dad's printer. While getting the questionnaires filled, I used my iPhone 5 to capture the evidence. When all the questionnaires had been filled, the time came to organize my survey. I made graphs using Microsoft Excel. I used an app called Snipping Tool to get most of my screenshots. When I had done my research and was sure of my topic, I used Nikon D5100, my dad's camera, to take pictures for my magazine. I used Microsoft Word to make the permission letters that I got filled before taking anyone's pictures. During the photo shoots, I tried to take one person with me to capture evidence that I could post on my blog, so that it is clear that I was the one behind the lens. I captured most of my evidence through my iPhone 5. I imported all of these pictures and videos to my laptop for uploading them to the blog, because I could not upload pictures or videos using my iPhone 5. I wrote all of the text in my Microsoft Word, as it is a very simple and user-friendly software. Now, for further research, I visited many news sites like dawn.com to get the facts and figure about the child labor for my main article. I used Google to discover the formats of main article, etc. I used Adobe Photoshop to edit pictures and experiment with them. I used Photoshop for cropping, color correction, and most importantly, converting the pictures from RGB format to CMYK, which was necessary for printing purposes, as otherwise the picture would have turned into bad quality and would not look appealing. When the most of the work was done, I started organizing my work into folders on my laptop. I also generated barcode for my magazine using a website called barcodesinc.com. Barcodes are used to provide authenticity to your product and give it a professional look. Having all my material, I compiled it in and made it into a magazine using Adobe InDesign. I have used all sorts of technologies, and thus my project has been amazingly completed. I learned a lot during this process, and I am sure that in the near future I will be thankful for all of this knowledge.